Ergodyne Squids tool lanyards are scientifically engineered to reduce the amount of force exerted on the body if a drop occurs. To prove it, we'll drop test our lanyards against various other solutions, including a static length of webbing and two competitors' tool lanyards. To measure the drop forces, we'll use a load cell, which calculates the peak forces generated when a drop occurs. We'll drop the same 8-pound pipe wrench approximately 3 feet. First, let's look at the forces generated through this length of standard webbing. Now let's drop 2 readily available tool lanyards in the marketplace today. Finally, let's compare those results to the force-reducing design of Ergodyne Squids tool lanyards. As you can see, the choice is easy. To protect yourself and those working below you, choose Ergodyne Squids tool lanyards to tether your tools. For more information on Squids tool lanyards and other objects at height solutions, visit www.ergodyne.com.